Hey beautiful, it's Gifty and welcome back to the Gifty Hair channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite hair install technique, which is the lace closure sewing. If you're looking for a flawless natural look with full coverage and no leave out, you're in the right place. We'll be using Giifti Hair Weft Extensions. So if you're ready for a complete transformation, stay tuned and let's get started. Before we start installing the lace closure sewing, we need to set the foundation with a clean and secure braid pattern. This braid down is the key to ensuring the install stays flat and looks natural. For a lace closure sewing, we typically do a series of braids that lay as flat as possible, creating a solid base for the extensions and closure to lay upon. The better the braid down, the better the final results. A closure sewing essentially is a method where we sew in a lace closure piece, which is like a small lace wig that covers your natural hair, giving you a seamless look from front to back. It's perfect for anyone who wants full coverage without leaving out any of their hair on top, keeping everything protected and healthy. Now let's get into the install of the lace closure sewing. First, we carefully place the lace closure sewing along the front of the hairline. I like to take my time to ensure the closure is centered and secure. For today, we're doing a side part, so I placed the closure on a side part and then I laid it down so it looks flawless once I sew it in. The benefit of a lace closure sewing is that it offers a completely natural and full coverage look without any hair being left out. The lace material is super thin and lightweight, and it blends perfectly into your hairline and scalp, making it look like your natural hair is growing right out of your head. Lace closure sewings are ideal for people who want to protect their hair while still having that sleek and full hairstyle. Now you ask yourself, who should get a lace closure sewing? If you're looking to protect your edges and have no time to deal with daily styling or want a very low maintenance hairstyle, this is the solution. The lace closure sewing is perfect for you. Plus, it's great for anyone who has thinning edges or alopecia. You can wear it in for weeks without worrying about damage, and it provides a flawless full look for everyday wear. Typically, a lace closure sewing can last you up to 2 weeks and you come back in for your maintenance. The sewing portion in the back can last you up to a month. So as long as you're coming in for your 2 weeks maintenance, you can wear the entire style up to a month before having to take the entire thing off. The lace closure sewing can be installed by either using glue or it can be installed by using the needle and thread. You and your service provider can discuss which method works best for you, either the full sew-in closure sewing or the glue down lace closure sewing. Okay? So once the closure sewing is installed, the next step is blending. A big part of making the lace closure look natural and ensure that it's seamless is blending that hairline and making it look like your own. I'm going to use the hot comb here to flatten the closure and smooth out any flyaways, creating a sleek, uniform look. Click the description box below and shop giiftihair.com, our 3-bundle deal, or our individual weft extensions for you to achieve a seamless, beautiful look. Now let's get into the fun part, which is styling. I'm going to be adding some soft face framing layers into my client's hair to add more movement and body within the hair. After I go ahead and create the face framing layers, I'm gonna go into the hair and add more layers to the back just to add more movement and body for the hair overall. Giifti Hair Extensions provide luxury hair. Our hair can last many, many years. You can cut it, you can shampoo, you can curl it, you can do whatever you need to treat it just like your natural hair, and it's gonna hold up, because we source out high quality Indian and Vietnamese hair for all our installs. Next, we're going to be creating these tight spiral curls using the Marcel curling iron. I love these curls because they last for weeks, especially when using the Giifti bundle deal and using the Marcel curling iron. Your curls can last until you shampoo your hair. Like, that's how long lasting these bundles can hold a curl. Definitely click the link in the description box and get your own, or book a package deal with giiftihair.com for us to slay your hair and provide you with quality hair extensions. There you have it, y'all. There you have it. Look how beautiful, natural looking this lace closure sewing looks using Giifti Hair Weft Extensions. If you're ready to get this gorgeous look for yourself, make sure you book an appointment. Click the link in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out giiftihair.com for luxury hair extensions and take advantage of our 3-set bundle deal for the best value. All links are in the description box, so go ahead and treat yourself to premium hair and extensions package deal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more hair tips and tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. It's Giifti, the gift to your hair.